Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated corner clamps. Whether you're a hobbyist, woodworker, or somewhere in between, you know that pushing pieces of wood at 90-degree angles together is not only inconvenient, but also time-consuming, and the end product never looks just right. However, using a corner clamp will make the job go more swiftly and smoothly. And this doesn't just apply to wood. Some corner clamps can be used to set steel angles, holding the parts in position while welding them together. If this has piqued your interest in purchasing your own corner clamp, we have compiled a list of 7 of the best corner clamps in the market to make your woodworking tasks hassle-free. The team at trustedshopguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the corner clamps that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first corner clamp on our list is the Housolution corner clamp, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. If you're looking for a lightweight corner clamp that's not only versatile, but it's easy to operate, then the 11.6 by 8.5 by 2.4 inch Housolution right angle clamp may be the one for you. It's made of aluminum alloy, so it's exceptionally light at 1.66 pounds, making it the perfect corner clamp if you must travel for your woodworking business or hobby. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic design. The anti-slip handle is covered with TPR coating to ensure your hands are comfortable to use. Rotary jaw. Its single-handled jaw can rotate in 2 directions, making clamping more convenient and accurate. Highly versatile. This is a great value for more DIYers as it's suitable for wood, metal, and glass and is a good choice for aligning, nailing, woodworking, welding, and more. Easy to use. Just a simple twist of the screwdriver-like mechanism and the vice bolt retracts along a fixed threaded shaft. Then place the wood, cinch it up, and you're ready to glue, nail, or screw it in place. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases: this piece lacks a quick-release mechanism for easy adjustments, but it can guarantee a strong hold on your materials. The second corner clamp on our list is the SEDY corner clamp, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Although the saying "you get what you pay for" is often true in the world of tools, the SEDY 90-degree corner clamp is proof that occasionally you get good value for your money, even when the price is not too expensive. In terms of size, it measures 11.4 by 8.9 by 2.4 inches and weighs 1.87 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: rubberized handle. The sturdy rubberized handle ensures a secure grip, even when your hands are moist, which is especially helpful for those who tend to sweat profusely. Adjustable swing jaw. This adjustable swing style allows you to fix 2 wood pieces that have different thicknesses together with ease. Easy to use. The floating head and electroplating rotating spindle screw are both adjustable to align and hold work pieces precisely, and the 2 oblong holes provide the convenient mounting on a workbench. Highly durable. Made from aluminum alloy, the overall construction is tremendously durable, which is great for carpenters who need to use it with a high level of frequency. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases: it has a slow screwing action, so it'll take some time to tighten it. The third corner clamp on our list is the WETOLS corner clamp, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. You will love the WETOLS corner clamp if you've ever had trouble completing a cabinet or furniture piece due to the inefficiency of your angle clamp. This 1.5-pound product may look like most of the clamps available on the market, but even though its design shares some common traits, it is a whole different animal. Constructed from an abrasion-resistant aluminum die-casting alloy, it's definitely suitable for repeated long-term usage. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic handle. The ergonomic anodized rubber handle on the clamping mechanism won't slip out of your hand even if your hand is wet. Highly versatile. Its jaws can open to almost 3 inches, making it great for sinking up to 2 by 4s. Not to mention, you can use it for wood, glasses, and metals. Convenient to use. It holds angles together with a vice-like grip and leaves the work area clear, so you can still weld or put together joints precisely without having to worry about your clamp. Swing jaw design. This tool features a swing jaw or floating head design, which allows you to clamp 2 wood blocks having different thicknesses. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases: if the glasses are too thin, the clamp may crack it. So we suggest you pad some tissues, towels, or leather between the glass and the clamp to avoid cracks or scratches on the glass. The fourth corner clamp on our list is the ENGiNDOT corner clamp, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Just like most of this style, this clamp sold in pairs is made of a dense, durable aluminum alloy. The high-quality aluminum mixture used makes this model exceedingly long-lasting, and its structural rib design only adds to its overall strength. For its size, the tool comes in at a standard size and weighs 3.49 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: convenient clamping. It allows the joining of 2 wood blocks of differing thicknesses to be joined at 90-degree angle. Comfortable handle. The rubber handle on the clamped spindle is designed for comfort and to prevent hand fatigue from heavy use. Highly versatile. This tool has a clamping range of up to 2.75 inches, capable of holding just about anything you need to clamp, glue, nail, or screw together. Wide usage. Just like any clamping tool, the ENGiNDOT is also suitable for woods, glasses, and metals. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, the jaws lack V-grooves for holding round objects, but are still impressively powerful when holding straight materials. The fifth corner clamp on our list is the wolfcraft corner clamp, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. In the world of tools, the name wolfcraft has long been held in high esteem. That's hardly shocking when you consider the excellent quality of their corner clamps. This particular model is 16.5 by 9 by 2 inches and weighs 2.7 pounds, so it's easy to transport and store while providing everything you need to tackle any job from nailing to building box frames. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: independent jaws. Its 2 independent jaws can spread to 2.5 inches wide and can handle many projects within this opening range. Highly durable. Construction-wise, the unit is built like a tank. It features a durable die-cast aluminum frame that should last through years of use. Safe and secured clamping. Pads on the jaws prevent it from sliding and damaging the wood within, while the textured paint coating provides additional grip. V-groove. The unit comes with V-groove channels that can grip round objects. It is extremely useful when you're using it as a workbench vise. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, it's more suitable for small to medium duty work. So if you're looking for a product that can be used for a more heavy-duty type of project, then we recommend checking other items on the list. The sixth corner clamp on our list is the Bilivry corner clamp, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Unlike the previously mentioned models, Bilivry presents a set of 4 right angle clamps. You can use them individually to hold various joints together while continuing to do your other tasks. The set is also built with ABS plastic that has high strength, significantly improving its longevity. Each clamp measures 3.15 by 2.76 by 1.97 inches and weighs around 0.75 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: convenient to use. As the clamps are lightweight and take up little space, carrying them is very easy. Adjustable. With an adjustable jaw, you can assemble 2 boards with different thicknesses for hassle-free work. Easy operation. These corner clips are sturdy and non-slip, which is helpful for quick installation and fixation, saving you time and reducing your workload. Reliable. The clamp set can quickly and easily fix the required shapes such as square, triangle, T-shape, and more. Not to mention it has a high spring tension that can hold its plates in place when they're screwed to ensure that your clamping work is done conveniently and efficiently. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, since they're small and lightweight, these clamps are best suited for small projects as well. The 7th corner clamp on our list is the WYQYQ corner clamp, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. DIYers searching for a useful addition to their toolkit should consider this an excellent option. Being tremendously simple to use, this clamp relieves fatigue while accomplishing woodworking or any repair tasks and extensively finds its application for drilling, framing, and many more. In terms of size, it measures 16.93 by 11.42 by 4.72 inches and weighs 1.88 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: comfortable handle. It has a soft, non-skid rubber handle so you can hold it comfortably. Rotary jaw. There are 2 swivel points on this model that allow the head of the clamp to float. This means you can use it with 2 workpieces of different widths. Ergonomic design. There are separate openings on the left and right sides, which can be used to punch holes in wood or fix the product for easy use. High quality. It boasts a high-quality abrasion-resistant metal junction in a die-cast aluminum alloy jaw that holds angles together with a vise-like grip while creating an unobstructed working area, so you can still precisely weld or assemble joints. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, it has a maximum thickness capacity of 2.75 inches. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest-rated corner clamps, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next corner clamp roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.